Okay, one of the main things, get some water on that sucker right after you get it all waxed up. Look at that, beading up on there now. And I usually use just a polish. It depends on what you're doing, it really does. But if you got a pressure washer, it sure will help, especially if you aren't taping off your joints. Joke there, taping off your joints. Anyways, make sure you get all the creases and stuff as good as you can. Especially in them lines of the body trim and all that. And I hit up the windows and the whole deal. Now I didn't get the roof. I just don't have time to do the whole car at once. I wish I did. And don't just power wash it down and leave it. It's not ideal. You can get about 80% of it that way. But especially if you buff the trim, the glass, and the whole deal, you honestly want to get some soap and a sponge on there and kind of really dig into it, I guess you'd say. Oh man, this thing is so smooth now. Jeez Louise, this is nice. Main thing is get this stuff all rubbed on nicely while it's damp, while it's not all dried up, while it hasn't set in the sun and really messed up your life. Because believe me, it's a pain to get off once it dries up for a few days. It might take me a while to get used to doing glass here. And not tilting my head certain ways while I'm working. Check out stockgambles.com. Check out cansoup.com. And for beagles, check out beaglespocket.com. Actually, the new litter I put on tinybeagles.com. And I know I've said it in other videos, but keep it all wet, for sure. And even though I only did up to a certain point, I washed past it by a lot, to where you'll get a better result and kind of get the overspray, I guess you'd say. And I hope you can hear me over the power washer. And I know this is a pretty randomly easy video and most people know how to do this. It's more the detail, the polishing it's for than the actual wash. Look at that surface now. Woo, buddy. Well, that's that. Now the front clip around here, all around here, and all this is done. Tomorrow, should be able to hit up this license plate area I missed. Right there, this light, and run on down this side and do the roof. We'll be done. I'd say it's more than halfway now. For me right now, it's just a matter of getting out here enough time. And I will have this be a different little way for me soon. That's for damn sure. Well, that ain't gonna work. Okay. Gotta check on Breeder. Gotta call the transporter. He's late. I need that car gone. And that's that. Thanks for watching. Call me with any questions. I got cheap cars everywhere. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. With old paint like I work on, you use a lot of product.